Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off app notifications in Windows 10. First, click on Start and then go to Settings. Next, click on System and from the left menu, select Notifications and Actions. Now, if you don't want any notifications at all from any app or from your system, you can simply use this button to turn them off. But I'm going to leave that on because I still need some notifications to show up instead. What I will do is uncheck the box that says show notifications on the lock screen for privacy reasons. I will also uncheck the box that says allow notifications to play sounds, so it won't make any sound while showing notifications. If you scroll down, you will see the individual apps or system features that send you notifications. For example, I'm going to turn off Microsoft Store notifications here, but you can also dig deeper and tweak the settings of any app, like how it behaves or how it shows notifications. For example, if I click on Settings, I can control system notifications that appear in the bottom right corner of the screen. As you can see, there are no system notifications at the moment, but you can uncheck the box so that banners don't show up. You can also choose how many notifications to display in the Action Center for a particular app or system feature. Additionally, you can set the priority from top, high or normal. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.